Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
Pretty crazy after the dry start to the year. For the second week in a row, we are talking about a likely chance to see rain here in San Diego. Not today, but definitely you'll be feeling it through the rest of the week. As for today, some clouds are starting to come back into the region. Cooler temperatures are coming with them, but yeah, these are the kickers here. We're talking about rain likely Wednesday through Friday. Because of that, a flood watch has been issued for areas along the coast, inland, and in the mountains, and a wind advisory on Tuesday in the deserts. Really going to see those wind gusts pick up, especially in the evening. As for the watches and warnings for the flood watch, again, that goes into effect Thursday early afternoon. Will really take you through the rest of the night into the following morning, into Friday as well. But look at those 3-day rain totals. The coast and inland, anywhere from 1.5 to 2.5 inches. The mountains, maybe up to 4 inches of rain, possibly even more. And then the wind advisory for the deserts from Tuesday early morning until Wednesday late morning, I would say around 10 a.m. Wind gusts are going to peak in the evening, and look at those numbers. Widespread gusts from 35 to 45 miles an hour. Some local gusts getting all the way up to 55 miles an hour. Areas of blowing dust expected with that as well. Okay, our chances for rain. Again, you might see some on Tuesday, but the most confident days where we're expecting some rainfall Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before we taper off into the weekend. Here's a better look at what we're talking about here as things move forward. You could see some morning drizzle on Tuesday inland. You might see some rain falling in the mountains, but Wednesday it really starts to pick up, starting along the coast, then making its way east across the region. Thursday afternoon, really heavier amounts of rain in the north part of the county, and then that continues all the way into Friday. What does that do for our rain totals? Well, you'll notice, again, heaviest amounts Thursday and Friday. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, most areas are below an inch, but man, what a difference by the time we get to the end of the system. Palomar Mountain maybe up to 5 inches. We'll see, but everywhere is guaranteed a couple of inches, maybe 3 for that rainfall. Here's what the wind gusts look like. It really doesn't get any sort of relief in the deserts. I mean, look at that. 50 miles an hour is kind of your reality before things finally start to taper off there by the time we get to Wednesday, but kind of pick up just about everywhere else. Along the coast, your extended forecast, we have those chances for rain, and boy, do we need it. I mean, all of San Diego County at this point is in the severe drought extreme level. So yeah, this is something we have desperately been looking for quite some time. Hopefully that'll start to change some of those numbers. Here's what the numbers look like along the valleys here in San Diego. You're going to be staying below average until we get to next weekend. Some warmer temperatures are on the way when the system finally gets out of here, but yeah, a lot of rain in the meantime.